Hey guys, I got a treat for you. Surgeon Sparks. Let's see what we can get from it. We've got 6 packs in it and a couple little trinkets in here. See if we can't pull anything good from it. Hopefully the Pikachu. Let's rip it open. First of all, we got a little coin, a couple promo cards. Oh, we're hiding what's in there. Stellar Crown, Surgeon Sparks, another Surgeon Sparks, another Stellar Crown, and a Twilight Masquerade pack. There we go. A couple stickers. What's a big sticker? A couple more stickers, and of course for those on the run players, little battle book. Pretty cool little lunchbox. Let's see what the packs have in store for us. We got 1 Twilight Masquerade, 3 Stellar Crown, and 2 Surgeon Sparks. I think we gotta go from 1, 2, and 3. Twilight Masquerade. Let's see what it has in store for us. Maybe we can see that Greninja. And oh, there we go. Nice little Iron Thorns full art. First pack magic does exist. There we go. Beautiful looking card. See if you can't chase that Terrapagos EX. First pack magic of the Stellar Crown. And last card, dud. Unfortunate. Second pack of the Stellar Crown packs. See if we can't get anything out of this one. And there we go. Another full art. Beautiful looking card. Archaludon. Hey guys, if you want to see packs like this get opened live on stream, go check out my TikTok at Mythic Hits. Last pack, let's see what it's got in store for us. Last card, dud. Unfortunate. So out of the Stellar Crown, we got 1 full art. Beautiful looking Archaludon. And now, what we've all been wanting, the Surgeon Sparks. See if you can't pull that Pikachu. Alright, we're getting close to the end. There's an A-Spec right there. There we go. Beautiful looking A-Spec. Last pack magic of the Surgeon Sparks. Let's see if we can't pull the Pikachu. And coming to the last card, let's see what we get. Dud. Unfortunate. Surgeon Sparks did not have it for us. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out a couple of our other videos, like revealing the Pikachu Japanese Pristine 10 from Beckett Grading Services, or pulling the Pikachu SIR out of 15 packs. That was insane. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down in the comment section. What's your favorite Pokemon? I want to know.